Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo Activity is more than just a van, it's a home on wheels, built for adventure and designed with luxury in mind. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long road trip, this camper van offers everything you need for a comfortable, stylish, and flexible travel experience. At first glance, the Marco Polo Activity stands out with its sleek, modern design. It carries that signature Mercedes-Benz look, elegant lines, premium finishes, and an overall presence that sets it apart from traditional camper vans. But it's not just about aesthetics. Every element of the exterior serves a purpose. The pop-up roof, it's not just for show, it expands the interior space, giving you extra headroom and an additional sleeping area. Step inside and you'll instantly appreciate the smart use of space. The cabin is designed to be both functional and comfortable, with high-quality materials and ergonomic seating. The rear bench seat converts into a spacious bed, while the pop-up roof accommodates another sleeping area, meaning up to 5 people can rest comfortably. Perfect for families or small groups of travelers. Now let's talk about performance. The Marco Polo Activity is built on the Mercedes V-Class platform, offering a range of efficient diesel engines with power outputs between 136 and 239 horsepower. That means smooth acceleration, impressive fuel efficiency for a camper van, and a driving experience that feels more like a luxury SUV than a bulky camper. And with Mercedes' advanced 9GTRO NIC automatic transmission, gear shifts are seamless, making long drives a breeze. One of the standout features is its versatility. Unlike larger motorhomes that can feel sluggish and difficult to maneuver, the Marco Polo Activity handles like a premium passenger vehicle. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the responsive steering and refined suspension ensure a comfortable ride. And for those who love venturing off the beaten path, the optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provides extra confidence on rough terrain or in tricky weather conditions. When it comes to convenience, Mercedes has packed this van with thoughtful details. There's a practical kitchenette setup with a fold-out table, ample storage compartments for gear and essentials, and even an auxiliary battery to power your devices during overnight stays. Plus, with the option of swiveling front seats, the interior can easily transform into a cozy lounge area. Safety is also a priority. As expected from Mercedes-Benz, the Marco Polo Activity comes equipped with cutting-edge driver assistance features like active brake assist, attention assist, and crosswind assist. These systems work together to keep you safe on the road, whether you're driving in the city or heading off on an extended road trip. What makes the Marco Polo Activity truly special is its ability to blend adventure with luxury. It's compact enough for daily use, yet spacious enough for extended travel. You get the reliability and prestige of Mercedes-Benz, combined with the practicality and comfort of a premium camper van. For those who love the open road but refuse to compromise on quality, the Marco Polo Activity is a game changer. It redefines what a camper van can be, elevating the experience with style, performance, and innovation. Whether you're exploring the countryside, chasing the sunset, or just escaping the daily grind, this is your ultimate travel companion. So, is the Marco Polo Activity the right camper van for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest new technology vehicles. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.